How to generate your PRN for online payment, SSS contribution. Log in your SSS account. Click I'm not a robot, then submit. This pop-up notice will show just click maybe next time or simply click X. In your home you can see this options. Please select payment reference number or PRN. A drop box will show then. In the drop box, select generate PRN. Then click this button generate PRN for your new PRN to be used in your next payment transaction. Fill this up with your details. Click submit request. A pop-up box will appear. Click OK to confirm your details provided. Now, you have your PRN to be used in your online payment. Click back to PRN list and see your successful generated PRN. Here, you may now pay your SSS contribution. After paying, you may check your account 30 minutes or less than an hour if your payment has already done and successful. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this.